Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Use a T20 Torx driver to remove the two screws securing the footwell sealing panel. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1184C filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Install the larger filter into the slot closest to the driver's side. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the footwell sealing. Reinstall the bottom screws. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.